Ovulatory phase. So the both LH and FSH attain the peak level. The luteinizing hormone and the follicular stimulating hormone, that is at the peak level. So that is on the 14th day, that is the mid cycle. And when the rapid surge of the or rapid secretion of the LH that leads the, that is also called as the LH surge, that leads the induce the rupture of the Graafian follicle, that induces the rupture of the Graafian follicle, and thereby release of the ovum takes place. Okay, so here in this diagram you can see the hormonal changes and the ovarian changes as well as the uterine changes. See here, in this diagram we can notice the uterine events, ovarian hormone events, and the ovarian events, and the pituitary hormone level. So during the menses, during the menstruation up to 5 days, the FSH and LH, that is also at the low level, and the estrogen progesterone also at the at its lower level. During the follicular phase, uterine endometrium layer, again it forms. Just imagine this is the endometrium layer regenerates, and the estrogen hormone also increases the level. See here, the level of estrogen hormone also increases, that is the ovarian hormone. And here inside the ovary, the primary follicles that develop into mature Graafian follicle. So that is because of the pituitary hormone. Pituitary hormones that releases during the follicular phase, that is FSH and the LH, that releases the during the follicular phase, and that stimulate the development of the follicles, and also these developing follicles that releases the hormones. Okay, like estrogen is also released in the hormone. So these are the hormonal changes that occurs during the follicular phase. Then luteal phase. See, at the mid cycle, that is on the 14th day, the LH is, the secretion of LH is maximum, and that is called as LH surge, and that induces the rupture of the mature Graafian follicle. So the increase in the level of the luteinizing hormone that induces the rupture of the Graafian follicle, and the release of the ovum takes place at the mid cycle. So that is called as the uh, ovulatory phase. Sorry, that is called as the ovulatory phase. Menstrual phase, follicular phase, and at the mid cycle, ovulatory phase.